Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this box from Portland Leather Goods, and this is an extra large messenger bag from them. I have been waiting for this over a year now. They finally brought this bag in Kenyan color, so I decided to give it a try and order one. Let's open it up. I haven't had my coffee yet today, so my mind is flooding in the space right now. So this is their thank you card, and this is how it's packed. They usually just wrap it in paper and no plastic bag. Good for environment, but if it's raining, you will be in trouble. Let's see. Oh, totally forgot that I ordered one of the straps that they just released lately, the back strap. Let's take a quick look. I think this is their cotton back strap. The hardware seems to be like kind of a antique brass color that kind of match with most of their bags. And then the strap itself looks like it could be cotton fabric, fairly thick, and it has this Portland Leathers branding on it. Pretty good. I think I like it. I hope they bring out more color for these cotton straps. Now let's look at this bag that I have been waiting for over a year now. So let's put the box down. So this is the extra large messenger bag in Kenyan color. This looks like, I think it's one of their smooth leather. I don't think this is brushed leather. I think it's just their smooth leather. Has some weight to it. I think one of the members that in the committee weighted this bag. I remember she said this was just under 5 pounds. Doesn't feel as heavy though. I don't want to say this is heavy because I think last time I commenting on a bag about the weight, somebody left a comment calling me weakling. So at first I thought, what? Did he say chicken wings or something? I really miss some good Thai chicken wings. So anyway, looks good. First impression, it looks pretty good. The side of it, I think because it has 2 compartments inside, and at the back it has their logo branding at the bottom and a loop. I guess this is for hook onto your luggage if you decided to use it for your trip, for travel. And on the side it has this D-ring on both sides, and then on top it also has another 2 more D-rings and a top handle. Let's put it down for a second and open it up because my hand is getting a little tired. So this is my first time looking at this messenger bag, and it has 3 closure. I believe the 2 on the side is magnetic closure, and then the one at the bottom is a traditional bucket belt type of kind of closure. Let me get it open. I guess they want to keep the bag secure. Then open up this bag, and this is probably the strap. Wow, the strap looks pretty thick and quality is good. I feel like even the clubs here is is more chunky, like bigger size one. Definitely a more robust one. And they have this leather loop thing that to catch your extra length of straps. It's a good quality one. I'm really impressed with this strap. I feel like they need to sell these straps, this back strap in different colors. I would totally buy them. Please, Portland Leather Goods, please sell this in different color. I could totally use this for my crossbody bags. Look into inside of it. Underneath this flap, you see this leather panel going across. They have this added so that they can attach the strap and the handle. And then inside, it does have two big compartments and kind of another extra compartment, slim compartment at the back for the laptop and iPad and stuff. Other than that, it's just two big space. The front compartment has two slip pockets, probably big enough to put your phone. And then it also have this to hook on your keychain or key fob that you can button it up like a leather loop thing. The leather itself is pretty thick. I'm trying to show you the thickness of the leather. No doubt it's a durable bag for sure. Let's see if I could just using the magnetic closure without using the middle belt buckle thing. Look like it got a big scratch here. Let me see if I can rub it off. Not quite, but definitely less obvious. Look like it stayed put, even though I didn't use the middle one. For daily use, I wouldn't use this belt buckle closure because I think it's a lot of hassle to unbuckle this one. So yeah, it does stay closed. So now, I haven't seen many people use this messenger bag, so I'm not sure exactly how to hook on this strap. Do I hook on this top one or do I hook on the side one? I guess it would be up to you, right? Let's try the one on the side. So this is how it looks. The bag looks like it tilts forward a little bit, but I believe if you carry it crossbody, it would just kind of stick to your body. Your body would push the bottom part out if you wear it crossbody. Now let's hook on the one on the top, see how it looks. So I guess if you want to carry this as a shoulder bag, hook on the top, the D-ring on the top, it would look more balanced. Even though this bag is their XL size, but in real life it's not very big, to be honest. I definitely have much bigger messenger bag. I think this is just a good size for if you need to use it for work. It could carry quite a bit of stuff, or else even for daily use it's not too big. So this is my first time getting a bag in Canyon color. Oftentimes when I look at the picture, it looks like brushed leather, and I'm not really into brushed leather, but in real life it looks more like smooth leather. I wonder if they smooth out the texture a little bit. Is this a nubuck leather? Yeah, I'm new to this leather. I need to look at it closer under bright light to examine the leather a little bit more. So far, this is a very classic looking messenger bag. Even the color they chose is very traditional. This would match up most guys' preference in terms of messenger bags. I hope in the future they could come up with some fun color. It would be cool if they could make this messenger bag in many colorful options like the Cambridge Satchel Company. I'm happy that I finally get one of their messenger bag. I've been waiting for this for too long, so I'm glad they finally did it. I can see that this bag is much more complicated in terms of the construction and the design. So this is probably not a very high profit product compared to their tote bag. I doubt that they make many of these messenger bags. So if you want to get one for yourself or for your husband, boyfriend, guy friends in your life, you should get it before they put a pause on it again. Thanks for joining me for today's unboxing. I'm going to make coffee and take a break. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.